over 35 years, South Service Trading has been transforming the challenges of international trade into great opportunities for growth, offering end-to-end customized solutions for importers and exporters through a platform that integrates logistics solutions, tax optimizations, and credit lines. With branches in Rio Grande do Sul, Santa Catarina, São Paulo, and subsidiaries in Asia and the United States, South Service Trading is listed among Brazil's 1,000 largest companies by Valor Econômico, with an annual revenue in the billions. With clients across 20 Brazilian states, exports to 65 countries, and imports from over 100 countries across all continents, our commitment is to be a 360-degree platform for international trade, expanding horizons, opening borders, and crossing oceans hand in hand with our clients. South Service, customized solutions for international trade.